Hello guys, this is Shiva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to scalp the market, okay? So the first thing we have to do here is to click on this F icon here. After clicking on that, we are going to search for the alligator, alright? Now you click on the main window plus icon, you search for your alligator. So this is the properties for the alligator. The JAS period is 13, teeth period is 8, lips period is 5, JAS shift is 8, teeth shift is 8, lip shift is 3. Method is simple, apply to its median price. Alright, the time frame is all time frame. Now under the style, you make the JAS the color of your background, right? 1 pixel. The teeth, the color of your background, 1 pixel. And the lips, you make it color green, 4 pixel, and you click on done. Now the next indicator we have here is the parabolic SAR. Alright, so you click on the main window plus icon again, you search for your parabolic SAR. These are the properties. The step is 0.020. The maximum is 0.200, right? The time frame, you set it to all time frame. The style, you make it color blue, 4 pixel, and you click on done. Alright, so the next indicator we have here is the relative strength index. You click on the main window plus icon again, you search for your relative strength index. The period is 1, apply to its close. The level, you set it to 85 and 15, color red, 4 pixel, you click on done. The next indicator, the time frame is all time frame. Under the style, you make the color white, 1 pixel, right? And you click on done. Now the last indicator we have here is moving average, right? You click on the indicator window 1 plus icon to add your moving average under the relative strength index, right? So after you click on this, you search for your moving average. Now the period is 10, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to its close. The level, you leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. The style, you make it color blue, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Alright, so once you have set everything correctly as I've just explained, you are going to have a screen like this one here. Okay, now before I explain how the strategy works, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. It's a VIP strategy for growing small accounts, specially made for boom and crash. Okay, so if you're a beginner and you have been blowing your accounts, looking for a strategy that will help you grow little by little, then you should come check this strategy out. Okay, so if you are interested, you check the description of this video. You're going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, so that is that about that. All right, now back to the strategy here. All right, this is how the strategy work. Now the first thing is that you want to see a spike in the market. All right, this is a scalping strategy, not a spike catching strategy. Okay, so with this strategy, we want to be taking these little candles here out of the market. All right, now once there's a spike and you check your indicator window, you see this moving average here at the overbought level. All right, that's the first condition being met. And the second condition is that you want to wait for the candlesticks here, the little candlestick, to come below your green line here on the main chart. All right, once it comes below the green line, it doesn't mean that you should go in yet. Okay, now your entry signal is going to be the fractals. All right, and the number of fractals that appear is going to determine your take profit. Okay, now this is how it's going to be. Once the candlestick cross below the green line, you wait for the fractal to appear. So immediately the fractals appear, immediately one of them appear, you go in for your sell. All right, you sell immediately. If the second one appear, you leave it. Now you are going to need to wait for 4 fractals to appear, right? So immediately 4 fractals appear in the market, you take your profit and you move out. Okay, you are going to be holding till 4 fractals appear in the market, then you exit the market. It's as simple as that. All right. So for the zoom level, you have to zoom out completely, then you zoom in 2 times. All right, you zoom in 2 times and you are good to go. All right. So that is it, guys. I don't want the video to be too long. All right, so what you have to do is that you make sure you practice very well with this strategy. Make sure that it's working for you before you go in live. All right, make sure that the strategy is working for you before you go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, so for those of you who are just coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. And to my returning viewers, you are all welcome. All right, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you out.